Hello student, in last video we started the first class under the anti-hyperlipidemic agent, that is HMG CoA reductase inhibitor. In that we have seen the mechanism of action. The HMG CoA reductase, it is the enzyme which is involved in the biosynthesis of cholesterol. The acetyl CoA, it is converted into HMG CoA, and HMG CoA converted into the malonic acid, and this conversion is catalyzed by the HMG CoA reductase enzyme. So our drugs inhibit this enzyme and block the conversion of HMG CoA into the malonic acid. So this is the mechanism of action of the HMG CoA reductase inhibitor. It inhibits the biosynthesis of cholesterol ultimately. Mostly they are called as statins. The one drug in your syllabus, that is lovastatin. This is the structure. It includes three parts. This is the decan ring, next is the lactone ring, and the ester side chain which is present here. So these are the three parts in the structure. This lactone ring, it is undergo hydrolysis, and the hydrolyzed lactone ring, it is similar with the HMG CoA, and because of that, instead of HMG CoA reductase bind to HMG CoA, it bind with the drug and the role is inhibited. So this is mechanism of action I have discussed earlier. Now these are the other drugs, that is mavastatin, simvastatin, pravastatin. These are the different drugs under this class, under same category. Here you can observe the structural similarity, all having a lactone ring, then two carbon chain, and this decal ring. This ring is called as decal ring. This is present. This containing other heterocyclic ring. Instead of this decalin ring, there is other heterocyclic ring is there in some other drugs. For example, atorvastatin. Here you can see instead of decalin ring there is pyrazole ring. Here indole ring is present in fluvastatin, but rest of the structure is same. Here the hydrolyzed lactone ring is present with two carbon and the heterocyclic ring. So this lactone ring or lactone hydrolyzed portion of lactone ring is present in all the statins. Again, you can see the structure. This ring undergo hydrolysis, breakdown of this, and it convert in like this structure. This lactone ring is converted into like this structure, and it is similar with the mevalonic acid. Now SAR, structure activity relationship. Now first point in SAR is common feature for all HMG CoA reductase inhibitor. The common feature is presence of lactone ring and which undergo hydrolysis. So lactone ring containing prodrug require in vivo hydrolysis, and after hydrolysis it get bind to the enzyme. So 3,4-dihydrocarboxylate is essential. Now the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 hydroxy, 5 hydroxy means 3,4-dihydrocarboxylate is the essential moiety for the binding with HMG CoA reductase. For example, the upper portion of the drug of lovastatin, mavastatin, or the pravastatin, and the similarity with the HMG CoA substrate, mevalonic acid. So this is similarity. Now third point is altering distance between C5 and the ring diminishes the activity. In general, this lactone ring and the two carbon present in between the heterocyclic ring. Here heterocyclic ring is decalin. The altering distance between the this 5 number carbon and the ring, that is 2 carbon. If it is alter, means if it is reduced by 1 or increased by 1 or 2, it diminishes the activity, means there should be only 2 carbons should be present. If methyl, if propyl, then it decreases the action. A double bond between carbon 6 and 7 either increase or decreases activity. Here the fifth carbon is this, next is the 6th and 7. The double bond between carbon number 6 and 7, here it either increase or decrease the activity. The decrease or increase in the activity is depend upon the which type of heterocyclic ring attached to that carbon number 7. It depend upon the which type of ring is attached to that. Ethyl group provide the optimum activity for drugs contains some heterocyclic ring. For example, pyrrole ring, atorvastatin. Ethyl means the saturated, means single bond. The single bond between carbon number 6 and for example pyrrole, or for example this, for example decalin ring. Here also there is single bond, all drug having a single bond. So the single bond present in between carbon number 6 and 7, if ring is pyrrole or the decalin, then it gives maximum action. Next, ethinyl group is optimal for the drug with other ring system. For example, indole in fluvastatin and pyrimidine in rosuvastatin. Here the presence of double bond between carbon number 6 and 7. In this case, this drug gives the maximum action, but when the indole ring is present. So the drug having indole ring or pyrimidine ring, in case of that drug, there should be a double bond between carbon number 6 and 7, that gives the optimum or maximum action, mechanism of action. So two kind of ring is present. One, most of the all the drugs they having a decal ring. This ring is called as decalin. It is present in most of the HMG CoA reductase inhibitor. This decalin ring we can call this as a ring A. This ring we said as a ring A, which is present in the almost all the statins. Decalin ring is essential for the binding to the active site of the enzyme, means it is useful for the anchoring or the binding of the drug in the enzyme site. Replacement of decalin with the cyclohexane causes 10,000-fold decrease in the activity. The ring, if this ring is replaced by cyclohexane, there is 10,000-fold less or decrease in the action. So this is our first point for the ring A. Ring A means decalin ring. Second point under ring A is stereochemistry of ester side chain is not essential for the activity. Here the 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon chain, that is butane, is present. The stereochemistry of this ester side chain is not important, but the conversion of ester to the ether result in decrease in activity. If this ester it is replaced by ether, means ROR, that is the ether. When the carbonyl group is removed, it converts into the ether, and that time there is decrease in the activity. So ester gives the optimum action. Next point is methyl substitution at R2 position increases activity. The methyl position at R2 means here, if methyl group is there instead of hydrogen, that is in that case it increases the activity. For example, simvastatin, the drug simvastatin, more potent than lovastatin. Next, beta hydroxy group at R1 position increases hydrophilicity. The hydroxyl group present at this position it increases the hydrophilicity. For example, the drug pravastatin. Now SAR of ring B. Ring B means the other than decalin ring. It may be pyrrole, indole, pyrimidine. So numbers of ring can be replaced with the decalin ring. For that, the SAR is like this. The substituent of WXY can be carbon or nitrogen. Means WX and Y, it may be a carbon or nitrogen. Means no other than carbon or nitrogen is present at the in the ring. Means ring is either containing carbon or nitrogen. Means it is, and n is 0 or 1. The value of n is 0 or 1. If the value of n is 0, then the number of atom in present in the ring is 1, 2, 3, then this is 0, then 4, 5. If n is 0, then this ring is 5 membered ring. If n is 1, the value of n is 1, then this ring is 6 membered ring containing carbon or nitrogen. If for example, if nitrogen 5 membered ring containing 5 membered ring means pyrrole, and 6 membered containing nitrogen ring is pyridine, pyrimidine. So the substituent of WXY is carbon and nitrogen, and the value of N is 0 or 1 means 5 membered or 6 membered heterocyclic ring. The other heterocyclic ring, mostly they consist the para-fluorophenyl. This group is present in all the structure, that is para-fluorophenyl is a non-coplanar with central aromatic. This ring should be a non-coplanar with this heterocyclic ring in this structure. Non-coplanar means this ring, parafluorophenyl ring, should not be present in the plane of this heterocyclic ring. If it is present in same plane, means we can say if this is coplanar, it causes loss of activity. And the last point is R substitution with aryl group, hydrocarbon chain, amide or sulfonamide enhance lipophilicity and inhibitory activity. The R substitution. Here the R is indicated centrally. It is indicated centrally. The centrally means it can be present at any position in the ring. So it is denoted by the centrally. If R is aryl, hydrocarbon or amide or sulfonamide, it enhances the lipophilicity and inhibitory activity. So this is about the structure activity relationship of HMG coreductase inhibitor. The next classes of the drugs we will see in the next video. Thank you.